To quickly find a product, use the keyword search bar at the top of the page. Type in what you're looking for, like gloss text, corrugated boxes, or banner. Either click the search button with the magnifying glass or press enter to view relevant search results. You can also choose the segment of the site you wish to conduct the keyword search in: paper and specialty products, graphic solutions, sign and display, packaging and facility solutions, or all, by selecting an option from the drop-down menu on the right of the search bar. To further refine your search results, there are advanced search filters on the left side of the page. After entering a keyword search, choose a section from the Select a Section drop-down. Once selected, the advanced search filters will be displayed. Depending on your search, these filters could include brand, color, size, weight, application, and ink type. There are also two toggles on the left side: contract pricing and specials. By switching on the contract pricing toggle, the search results will be filtered to only showing items included in your contract. By switching on the specials toggle, search results will be filtered to only showing items with a sale flag. These flags include clearance, overstock, and promo. There are currently no items with a sale flag that match my other search filters. But if I search corrugated boxes again and turn on the special toggle, now there are items available.